Vehicles are entering the farm, it has to be cleaned or disinfected, then only we have to let them enter. Then inside cleaning, regular cleaning and disinfection and removal of the old organic material needs to be done. Then disinfectants, even if the bacteria and all are staying, then proper disinfection should be against the pathogen should be done. Types of biosecurity, mainly there are three types of biosecurity. First one is the conceptual, then structural, then operational. First conceptual, I told you, like the poultry farm, the location, it should be away from other poultry farm. If it is near to other poultry farm, then infection might spread from other poultry farm. So site selection is very important.
What about the pig farm, nearby pig farm?
सर हाँ pig farm से भी सर दूर ही होना चाहिए because
that you should say.
Yeah.
What should be the distance from the pig farm or a poultry farm? What is the recommendation?
Especially pig farm, just like sir told, around 5 kilometers. If there are other breeder farms in the area, around 3 kilometers. If commercial layer and broiler farms are there, then at least 6 kilometer distance we have to arrange our farm. This is the conceptual biosecurity. Then structural biosecurity. After the site selection, there should be proper fencing, then footpaths, drainage system, then the building should be of complete. The rodent proof, it should be free from any rats and all. Then at least boundary land, just beside the poultry house, 3-meter boundary land should be vegetation free. Otherwise infections might be there. Then operational biosecurity. Under this there comes daily cleaning and disinfection procedures. Then I told you about the downtime period. All in, all out system. We are purchasing the whole batch at a time and then we are selling the whole batch at a time. This is all in and all out system to reduce the spread of infection from one flock to the other. And culling of disease, because even if disease have occurred, then we have to remove the flock. The various disinfectants can be used: phenols, Resol, chlorine, ammonium. And the best disinfection, I would say, that for formalin, using a formaldehyde and formalin solution. Fumigation is the best disinfection. So we can go for concentration. I told you. We can go for fumigation. Then sun drying of the equipments that we wash by water also. Then we can go for sun drying of these equipments. Copper sulfate and 0.5% solution. It is good for fungal infections. These measures are also important. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Starting, we told about the selection of breeds. According to our requirement, what type of farm we want to open and what are the facilities we have, what are the prevailing in which area or in which region we are staying. Accordingly, we can select the suitable breed of improved that improves the productivity and adaptability in the region.